Now for the last part. So what I did off camera was, there's a lot of salt that I needed to scrape off the edges and toward the bottom of this beaker. As you can see right now, it's pretty powdery, but it was pretty clumpy before, so it took a little bit of time with that. So I'm going to add this to, again, a zero out balance. And again, you can see that I didn't get all of it. Just trying to go for one final ring around, because again, you're not going to be able to get all this out. So our mash should be a little bit lower. So obviously some of it is still here, or you know, maybe some of the sand stuck to that, or some of the iron is still in here somehow. Let's see if I added a little. I don't think it was enough to change it. We're at 10.7 grams of salt, which brings us to 23.9 grams. We had, this was sand, this was iron, this was salt, and this was the total. Which means we only had 1.5 grams in some way not show up. And again, that could be we didn't get all the sand out of here. Maybe some of it jumped out. You guys saw the spitting inside of the boiling water. Maybe some of the sand's over there on the hot plate. Sorry, some of the salt is on the hot plate, my fault. This, you know, is not counted. So overall, for us to be with only 1.5 gram, I think that's really, really good. So there's gonna be some post-lab questions on the separation, but that is how you separate salt from sand. From iron. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this activity. We're gonna be doing another mixture separation one. But this one is going to be involving something a little bit different. Ink. So I'm curious to see, we have a variety of markers. I'm curious to see what colors these are made of. And that'll be for one, we might do it a little bit later on. So thank you so much for the activity. There's some questions below. And if you have any questions, of course, let your teacher know.